Hello guys, good morning. This is Ate Isra's refrigerator. See? Macadamia chocolates from Japan. Okay. Just came back from Japan last 28. Okay. Oh, there. The leftover cakes from Ate Pasit's birthday yesterday. All these. There's some more. I don't know what's inside. Oh, Mommy said it's all chocolate. Chocolate. See? A box of chocolate. All sugar. There's sapin leftovers also yesterday. I think I must have to drink this. This is honey ginger tea. It's good for coughs. Okay, choose this one. Goodbye, macadamia. Cannot eat as of now. Okay. Bye, macadamia. Thank you for watching.